Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholique. I'm crazy about these 2-hole dagger beads. These silver ones are absolutely amazing and they're really fun to work with. You can actually use them in stringing projects. So you'll see the 2 holes. They become a little bit wiggly and challenging, but they're terrific. I added these beautiful Czech glass rondelles. The yellow opal is so beautiful, and some size 11 seed beads. With some 19 strand beading wire, I'm just going to bead on a pattern of 3 seed beads and a rondelle, and then I'm going to introduce the dagger bead. Now, I'm going to select which hole to put my first wire through because we're actually creating a double strand bracelet here. So I'm putting the daggers and then a size 11 seed bead, and then the next dagger is going to be in the opposite hole. So you want these to be in such a way that they're sort of staggered. So the beads get strung on and you'll have a little pattern that looks like this. I do 5 of these and they should naturally look like this with 3 up top and 2 below. Then I do the opposite after 3 more of those rondelles. And I'm just creating a little bit of a focal section with the rondelles in the center and then those daggers, and they are so fantastic. Now you're really going to need bead stoppers here. They are going to help you not lose this project. So you'll secure your first strand, then you're going to create your second strand and you're going to do the same pattern. And then you're just going to pull your cord through each one of the empty holes on the daggers. And you'll add your seed beads in between, and then you'll have to add another row of the rondelles in the center, and then go back through that second round of daggers. And this can be a little fiddly, a little challenging to do, but it's a big impact once it's done. You'll be happy. And then all you need to do is finish up with that pattern of beads. I'm going to finish mine off by using a slide clasp, a slide tube clasp. And it's got magnetic capability, so it's very nice to hold a bracelet like this. I cut 4 pieces of French wire, and I'll need 4 size 2 crimp tubes. And then I lay out my tubes on either side of my project. They do need to be going in opposite directions so that they actually close correctly with the bracelet on. So I'm just stringing on my crimp tube, my French wire, and then one of the holes of my clasp. I'm going back down through 2 seed beads and the rondelle, and then I'm crimping. And I'm getting that nice and tight there, and then I'm going to secure the second strand. Then I've got to go over to the other side and make sure that all my beads are cinched up and add on the other side of my clasp. Just need to make sure that it's going in the right direction and that you attach the right strand to the right loop. You can find everything to make this bracelet at beadaholique.com. Thanks for watching.